Hello, and welcome to our video on how to install artificial grass on concrete. Before we get started, let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. You'll need artificial grass, a utility knife, a measuring tape, a power brush, a broom, a level, a plate compactor, landscaping fabric, and a shovel. Once you have all of these items, you're ready to begin. Step 1, measure and prepare the area. The first step in installing artificial grass on concrete is to measure and prepare the area. Use your measuring tape to determine the square footage of the space you'll be covering with artificial grass. Next, use your power brush to remove any debris or loose dirt from the concrete surface. Once the area is clean, use your broom to sweep the surface to remove any remaining dirt or debris. Step 2, lay down the landscaping fabric. The next step is to lay down the landscaping fabric. This will prevent any weeds or unwanted plants from growing under the artificial grass. Roll out the fabric over the entire area, making sure to overlap the edges by a few inches. Cut the excess fabric with your utility knife. Step 3, prepare the artificial grass. Now it's time to prepare the artificial grass. Roll out the artificial grass and let it sit in the sun for a few hours. This will help the blades of grass to straighten out and make the installation process easier. Once the artificial grass has had some time in the sun, use your utility knife to trim any excess edges. Step 4, lay down the artificial grass. Once you've prepared the artificial grass, it's time to lay it down. Begin by laying the grass in one corner of the area and working your way outwards. Make sure that the artificial grass is flush against the concrete and that there are no wrinkles or bumps. Once you've laid down the first piece, continue laying the rest of the artificial grass, making sure to overlap the edges slightly. Step 5, secure the artificial grass. Once you've laid down all of the artificial grass, it's time to secure it in place. Use your plate compactor to press down on the artificial grass, making sure that it's firmly in place. Next, use your utility knife to trim any excess grass around the edges. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on how to install artificial grass on concrete.